Welcome to Fit Body Sharp Mind channel. In our fast-paced world, a good night's sleep often feels elusive. The constant hustle and bustle of daily life can make it difficult to unwind and relax. Many of us lie awake, our minds racing as we chase those precious hours of rest. The stress and anxiety of our daily routines often follow us into the night. The inability to fall asleep quickly and easily is a common experience, leaving us feeling drained and impacting our daily lives. This lack of rest can lead to a cycle of fatigue and frustration. Sleep deprivation can seep into every aspect of our well-being, affecting our mood, focus, and even our physical health. It can make simple tasks feel insurmountable and reduce our overall quality of life. It's a frustrating cycle many struggle to break free from. The more we worry about not sleeping, the harder it becomes to actually fall asleep. Fortunately, there are techniques to reclaim control of our sleep, and one in particular boasts a surprising origin. These methods can help calm the mind and prepare the body for rest. Developed and tested by the military, the 2-minute sleep technique offers a beacon of hope for those seeking a swift and effective way to drift off to dreamland. This method has been refined over years of practice. This technique, born out of necessity during World War II, has helped countless individuals, including sleep-deprived soldiers, achieve restful sleep even in the most challenging circumstances. Its effectiveness has stood the test of time. Sleep is not merely a period of rest, it's a fundamental pillar of our overall health and well-being. During sleep, our bodies and minds undergo essential repair and rejuvenation processes. From consolidating memories and regulating hormones to boosting our immune system and repairing cellular damage, sleep is a non-negotiable requirement for optimal function. When we consistently shortchange ourselves on sleep, we increase the risk of various health problems, including obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and mental health issues. Prioritizing sleep is not a luxury but a necessity for a healthy and fulfilling life. By understanding the vital role sleep plays in our lives, we can appreciate the urgency of addressing sleep difficulties and seeking effective solutions. The 2-minute sleep technique emerged from the battlefields of World War II. Facing immense pressure and life-threatening situations, soldiers often found themselves sleep-deprived, which could prove detrimental to their performance and safety. To combat this, the military developed and rigorously tested a technique that could help soldiers fall asleep quickly and efficiently, even amidst the chaos of war. This technique, surprisingly simple yet remarkably effective, focused on relaxing the body and calming the mind, allowing soldiers to snatch vital moments of rest. The success of this technique, even in the most stressful environments, is a testament to its power and practicality. It serves as a reminder that we can, in fact, train our minds and bodies to achieve restful sleep regardless of the challenges we face. Section 4. Mastering the 2-minute sleep technique. The 2-minute sleep technique is comprised of 2 main parts: body relaxation and mental stillness. This method is designed to help you fall asleep quickly and efficiently. First, lie comfortably in bed, ensuring your sleeping environment is dark, quiet, and cool. A comfortable setting is crucial for this technique to work effectively. Begin by systematically relaxing each part of your body, starting with your toes. Focus on the sensation of relaxation spreading through your feet. Tense your toe muscles for a few seconds, then release the tension, allowing your toes to sink into the mattress. Feel the stress leaving your body. Move upwards, repeating this tension release cycle for each muscle group, from your calves and thighs to your abdomen, chest, arms, and face. Each release brings you closer to complete relaxation. As you progress, visualize the tension melting away from your body. Imagine it dissipating like mist in the morning sun. Once your body is fully relaxed, shift your focus to your mind. Let go of any lingering thoughts and worries. The goal is to achieve a state of mental stillness, silencing the constant chatter that often keeps us awake. Embrace the calm and let sleep take over. Section 5. Enhancing the technique. Additional sleep tips. While the 2-minute sleep technique is remarkably effective on its own, incorporating additional sleep hygiene practices can further enhance its potency and pave the way for consistent, restful sleep. These practices are simple yet powerful additions to your nightly routine. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, promoting better sleep. Consistency is key, as it trains your body to recognize when it's time to rest. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book, can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Incorporating calming activities like sipping herbal tea can also be beneficial. Avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed is crucial, as these substances can interfere with your sleep cycle. Opt for a glass of water or a caffeine-free beverage instead. Exposure to sunlight during the day helps regulate your internal clock, promoting more restful sleep at night. Try to spend some time outdoors or near a window to soak up natural light. By adopting these healthy sleep habits, you'll create a sleep-conducive environment that complements the 2-minute technique. These small changes can make a significant difference in the quality of your sleep. Section 6. Embrace the power of sleep. The 2-minute sleep technique, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity, offers a powerful tool to overcome the challenges of sleeplessness. Developed in the crucible of war, this technique has helped countless individuals reclaim control of their sleep, improving their health and well-being. By understanding the importance of sleep and mastering the simple yet effective steps of this technique, you too can experience the transformative power of restful sleep. Remember, consistent practice is key. Embrace this technique, incorporate healthy sleep habits, and unlock the potential of a well-rested mind and body. Share this powerful tool with others and spread the message of sleep's profound importance.